Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the ringtone on your Redmi 13. To change the ringtone, you want to go into Settings. Here, scroll down to Sound and Vibration, and then click on Ringtone. In here, it will take you to the Ringtones menu, where you should be able to pick from pre-installed ringtones. Try and check which ones you like. Just pick the one you like, click on apply and then confirm. You can of course also choose from local ringtones. If you have an audio recordings, just pick from here and try going into music to, for example, try and check if you have any songs installed on your phone, but you can just pick from there. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.